In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and import Notion templates in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Notion, these steps will help you seamlessly integrate new templates into your workspace, enhancing productivity and organization. First, let's start by launching Notion on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all your personal workspace areas. Once you're in, identify the page or section where you intend to import your new template. This will ensure that your template is organized and placed exactly where you need it for easy access and use in your productivity workflow. Next, you need to navigate through the page. Direct your attention to the bottom right corner where you'll see 3 dots. Clicking on these dots will open up a menu of options. This menu is your gateway to import your file. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Import. Select this option. Choosing Import will open up a list of potential sources from which you can import your data. But for this specific task, we're focusing on uploading directly from your computer. After you've clicked on Import, look for the Upload from your computer option. Select this. This step prompts your device's File Explorer to open, allowing you to search through your local files for the template you want to import. Now, it's time to find the template you have either created or downloaded beforehand. Navigate through your folders and locate the specific Notion template file. If you haven't downloaded a template yet, make sure to do so from a reliable source offering Notion templates that fit your needs. Once you've found your file, click to select the Notion template. Giving the template a final once-over to ensure it's the right version can save you future hassle. Once you're certain, go ahead and click Open or Upload, depending on your system prompt. And with that, you've successfully imported a Notion template into your workspace. You'll now see the template appear in the section you initially chose, ready for you to start customizing and using immediately. This effortless process is a great way to enhance your workspaces with new layouts and functionalities tailored to your specific needs. I hope this guide makes importing templates into Notion clearer and easier for you. By following these steps, you'll save time and quickly integrate powerful tools into your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials.